About how to add the Mr. or message in on this table. If this is male, then add Mr. and female is message. So how to quickly add? If you have lots of data that you put one by one, that will take more times. So in Excel, I have some formula. Let's start it. If put a condition and put logic column column 2 equal to if male then put mr mr and add the this column. Okay, and next ms add this column. see see data already added. Uh, this is very simple. You have put the formula like this, then you have to see this. Thank you.